Welcome to our comprehensive guide on solar energy. Today, we're diving deep into the world of solar panels, understanding their maintenance and how to choose the right one for your needs. Solar panels are a cornerstone of renewable energy. According to the International Energy Agency, solar power is the fastest-growing energy source worldwide. What makes a solar panel right for you? Let's find out. Proper maintenance is key to a solar panel's efficiency. The National Renewable Energy Laboratory states that regular cleaning can increase their efficiency by 25%. Here are some essential maintenance tips. Regular cleaning. Checking for obstructions, monitoring performance. Choosing the right solar panel involves understanding your energy needs and environment. Factors to consider include panel efficiency, durability, warranty, cost. Remember, as Elon Musk once said, solar power is the last energy resource that isn't owned yet. Nobody taxes the sun yet. While higher efficiency panels are more expensive, they're often more cost-effective in the long run. A study by MIT found that investing in high-efficiency panels can yield better returns over time. Opting for solar energy isn't just a financial decision. It's an environmental one. Solar panels significantly reduce carbon footprints. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency highlights that the average residential solar system offsets about 100,000 pounds of CO2 over 20 years. In conclusion, choosing and maintaining the right solar panel is a step towards a sustainable future. As we harness the sun's power, we contribute to a cleaner, greener planet. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content on renewable energy. Visit our website for more information and follow us on social media for the latest updates in renewable energy.